Pilipino bakasyon.
I lose my way, but still you seem to understand. Now and forever, I will be your man. Sometimes I just hold you to caught on many sea. I'm holding a fortune that heaven has given to me. I'll try to show you each and every word I can. Now and forever, I will be your man. Now I can rest my worries and always be sure that I won't be alone anymore. If I only know you will all the time. All this
Importante sa singer yan.
Sweet.
Basta yung palsero.
Gawin na natin 10:30 kasi lugi tayo, babayaran na natin.
Ang pumasok tayo dito.
10:30.
Ay, go, go, go. Tagalog.
No, kasi babayaran din natin yung 10 minutes na 30 minutes.
You're right there.
until the day the ocean doesn't touch the sand. Now and forever, I will be your man. Now and forever.